Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching the Hikvision IVMS 4200 desktop client. This is the only reliable PC method for live viewing. Once open, sign into your Hik Connect account so the client can sync cloud devices. Make sure your recorder's cloud service is enabled and you have the device serial number handy. It's required to add the device. If firewall prompts appear, allow network access so the client can reach Hik Connect servers and your recorder. Next, go to Device Management and pick Add Device using Cloud Platform. This links devices without port forwarding. Enter the recorder's serial number, assign a descriptive name, and select the correct service region. Then bind the device to your Hik Connect account by following prompts. Once bound, wait for the client to display the device as online. This confirms cloud relay connectivity. If online, assign channels to your main view list so they appear in the Live View module immediately. Finally, open Live View in IVMS 4200 and drag camera channels into the grid. Switch between main and substream to balance quality and bandwidth. If a camera is offline, first confirm the recorder shows cloud service active, internet uplink is stable, and the SN is still bound to your account. Region mismatches often block access. If the cloud relay fails repeatedly, temporarily test a LAN connection or enable required ports on your router. Then,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.